Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to pin Gmail to Windows 10 taskbar using Google Chrome browser. For this, first open Google Chrome browser and then visit this one gmail.com and then sign into your account. After that, click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select this one save and share option, and then click on create shortcut. By default, Gmail will open in a new tab. In case you want to open in a new window, check this one option, open as window. After that, click on this one create button. This will create a desktop shortcut for Gmail. To pin it to this one Windows 10 taskbar, select this one desktop shortcut icon, right click on it, and then click on pin to taskbar. Now a Gmail icon will be sit on the taskbar. Whenever you want to open Gmail, just click on this one icon and it will open in your Google Chrome browser.